They're tricky, all right.
We need the Paw Patrol.
The rest of the Paw Patrol are sick.
Then it's up to us. No Pig is too slippery. No Alex is too small.
Phew! At least we got them away from the stream. Usually, once they're hungry, they head back to the barn.
Maybe we can hurry them up with a little treat.
Great idea, Ryder. I'm on it.
Alex, just don't open the bottom door.
Oopsie.
Oh, wait! Those pigs are making pigs of themselves. They don't know when to stop. Loose pigs, loose corn. What a day!
Don't worry, Rebel knows what to do.
Make way for the Pig Out Express. All aboard!
I think you've got a future as a pig farmer.
No thanks. I'm sticking to construction. Pigs are too much work. Let me bulldoze up the rest of the corn before the pigs try to escape again.
Thanks, Rubble. And thank you, Ryder. And you, Alex.
No problem, Farmer Al. Whenever you're in trouble,
Just yell for help. Hi, Ryder. We're all,
uh-oh, not you too, Marshall.
Oh, me too. Pup, duck your head and the cold won't spread. Like this. Achoo.
What a bunch of good pups. Achoo!
Let's play on nickjunior.co.uk.
Yay!